All right, so example 4. Find the distance from A to C in the following figure. So looking at A, B, C, D, this looks like a rectangle since we have these sides aren't the same length and we have 4 right angles. They want to know how far it is from A to C. So if I draw a line or a segment here to represent that length, that's what I'm looking for, is the length of this piece. Let's just call that X to give it a name. All right. So looking at this, even though it's a rectangle, if I focus in on the bottom portion of this, ABC particularly, what I'm looking at here is a right triangle within this rectangle. There's a right angle. ABC is a triangle, so it's a right triangle. And I can see, looking at the picture, since this side AB and this side BC form the right angle, those are legs, and then AC is going to be the hypotenuse. Again, always identify what each thing is so you set the Pythagorean theorem up properly. Pythagorean theorem says leg 1 squared plus leg 2 squared is equal to hypotenuse squared. This time the numbers are on the left, so if I grab my calculator out and type in 36 squared, it is 1296. 20 squared is 400. 1296 plus 400 is 1696. So x is going to equal the square root of 1696. And the calculator says that is 41.18. 22, so 41. Really. All right, 41.183. So we're on to a couple decimal places. Again, it doesn't specify anything about rounding here, so a couple decimal places is fine with me for rounding, otherwise, unless otherwise directed. So I'm going to go with 41.18 feet. The unit of length of all 3 pieces should be the same unit, so feet, feet, feet. All right, and if you recognize that, you don't have to worry about putting units within your work. You just make sure you put the proper unit on the final answer.